a clean, YouTube-style script that's beginner-friendly and safe for guidelines. Coinbase Wallet versus Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, 2025 comparison. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Coinbase Wallet and Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, two of the most popular self-custody crypto wallets. If you're wondering which one is right for you, stay tuned because I'll break it down step by step. 1. What they are. Coinbase Wallet, a self-custody wallet that lets you store your crypto, NFTs, and connect to Web3 apps. It's separate from the main Coinbase Exchange app. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, a non-custodial wallet where you have full control of your private keys. Built by Crypto.com, but works independently of the main exchange. 2. Control and security. Coinbase Wallet. You hold your private keys, so you're fully in control. Backup options include using a recovery phrase or linking to the Coinbase Cloud backup. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet also gives you full control of your private keys stored locally on your device. Backup is done with a 1224-word recovery phrase. Both are safe, but remember, with self-custody wallets, losing your recovery phrase means losing your funds. 3. Supported assets. Coinbase Wallet supports thousands of tokens across Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and other blockchains. Also supports NFTs and dApps. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet supports 700 plus tokens across 30 plus blockchains, plus staking options for popular coins. 4. Features. Coinbase Wallet. Store crypto plus NFTs. Connect to DeFi apps and Web3. Easy integration with Coinbase Exchange. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet. Store crypto plus NFTs. Built-in staking for passive income. Swap tokens directly in the app with DeFi rates. Header 5. Ease of use. Coinbase Wallet, very beginner-friendly, clean design, and simple connection to Coinbase Exchange. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, also user-friendly, but includes more advanced DeFi tools, which might confuse absolute beginners. Which one should you choose? Go with Coinbase Wallet if you're a beginner looking for a simple, trusted wallet that connects easily with the Coinbase Exchange. Choose Crypto.com DeFi Wallet if you want more advanced DeFi features, staking, and token swapping all inside your wallet. My tip? You can even use both. Coinbase Wallet for simple storage and NFT access, and Crypto.com DeFi Wallet if you want to dive deeper into DeFi. That's it for today's comparison. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more crypto tutorials.